Good morning, class. Today we will learn about how to compare and contrast objects. When comparing objects, we are looking for things about the item that are the same, similar, or alike. These items are all the same because they are all fruits. When you contrast objects, you are looking for things that are different or opposite about them. These two items are different. One is a fruit and the other is a vegetable. We are going to compare and contrast together for practice. I have a picture of an apple and a banana. One example of why they are the same would be that they grow on trees. One example of why they are different would be that they both taste different. I first want us to compare them, so please tell me something that is the same about them. After we are done comparing, we will move to contrasting. There is where you would tell me what is different about them. I will write all of the answers on the whiteboard for everyone to see. Please raise your hand and I will call on you. I would like all of you to come grab a whiteboard and marker from me, please. We will now learn about how to make and use a Venn diagram to help you compare and contrast objects. This Venn diagram will help you to see or visualize how to compare and contrast vegetables and fruits. First, you need to draw one circle on your whiteboard. Then you will draw another circle to overlap your circle that you have already drawn. It should look like my example here. The gray area you see is the area where your circles should overlap. If you have questions, please raise your hand. Now we are going to label our circles. Here I have an example of what your Venn diagram should look like with the similarities or comparisons and the contrasts or differences of vegetables and fruits. I will be partnering you up, and you and your partner will be using your Venn diagram to compare the things that are the same and contrast the things that are different. I would like you and your partner to name 2 vegetables and 2 fruits and write them in your diagram. Now that you have named the 2 fruits and 2 vegetables, write 2 things that are different in each circle. And now where the circles overlap, the gray area as you see, write 2 things that are the same about each of them. I will come around and look at each of your whiteboards to see how you are doing. If you have questions or need help, please raise your hand. Thank you for all of your hard work, and now you will read the book Broken Arm Blues and make a Venn diagram on your whiteboards to compare and contrast the 2 main characters in this story. You will need to make a Venn diagram just like the one you did to compare and contrast the fruits and vegetables with your partner. In your circles, you will write the names of the 2 main characters, which I have written on my slide, and 2 contrasting, which are differences, and 2 comparisons of the 2 main characters. Here's an example of what your Venn diagram should look like. If you have questions or do not understand the directions, please raise your hand and ask. Thank you, everyone.